Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You'll see a recovery mode message right here show up. Once you do, I can let go of those keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to actually open up. From here, tap on your desired language, and there we go, we are now in recovery mode. Now in here you have a couple options, not very many, so we can install updates either from storage, or do an online update, wipe data, and simply leave this mode by rebooting or powering off the phone. So there we go. I'm gonna go back to Android, so obviously I will select reboot, and there we go. As you can see, it's now rebooting. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.